The firmware update feature of SmartHQ Service is a powerful tool that offers a lot of benefits. SmartHQ Service lets you perform a firmware update on compatible GE appliances any number of times. Simply connect the Bluetooth module to the appliance and tap the Firmware Update button. After probing the appliance, if the system detects that a firmware update is required, it will execute a firmware update. Performing a firmware update with SmartHQ Service often resolves software issues on the appliance. By periodically updating firmware, you ensure that the appliance operates at an optimum level of performance. It often eliminates the need to order a replacement motherboard or order a software update module. This improves the lifetime ownership experience of the consumer.